Hello, parents. Thanks for joining me on this episode of the Fast Math Freebies at Home Edition. Do you have a third, fourth, or fifth grader, live in the state of Florida, and want to help your child prepare for the Fast Math assessment in May? Well, if you're answering yes to all three of those questions, you are in the right place. My name is Miss McCarthy, and I am a former Florida public school teacher on a mission to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick. For years, I've been creating resources with teachers in mind, and now I'm expanding my impact to create affordable and engaging math video lessons and practice for you to use at home with your child. The following free episode is actually a part of a free course, so all you have to do is click the link in the description box, enroll in the course today, and you'll have access to all of the Fast Math freebies, the video lessons, and the printables for this grade. And now it's time to dive into that free episode, so let's do it. What's going on, third grade? Here is your problem this week. So go ahead, pause the video, try this problem on your own first. Then when you're ready to check your work, press play. Welcome back, third grade. Let's go ahead and go over this problem, okay? It says that Sophia has soccer practice every Tuesday. Her practice begins at 4:15 p.m. and ends at 5:20 p.m. How long are Sophia's soccer practices in minutes? And you can see down here, we have an equation editor tool. So this is an elapsed time problem. We have to figure out how long her practices are and then input the number of minutes into that equation editor. So I'm going to kind of pretend like this is a computer-based test and go down to my workspace. So let's see, I know her practice begins at 4:15. So I'm going to create a timeline to show my elapsed time and that it ends at 5:20. So from 4:15 to 5:15, that would be 1 hour, or how many minutes? 60, right? So 60 minutes. All right, and then I just have to get to 5:20. So how many more minutes are there between 5:15 and 5:20? 5, right? So 5 minutes. Now what should we do? Yeah, combine those two. Your work may have looked a little bit different, but for mine, we need to combine 60 minutes plus 5 minutes to get 65 minutes total. Now I have my answer, but I need to make sure that I finish this problem by inputting the answer into the equation editor tool. So I would push the 6 and I would push the 5, and then my answer would be right up here as 65 minutes. All right, how long are Sophia's soccer practices? Her practices are 65 minutes long. Go ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, if you're looking for the printable that goes along with this video, you can enroll in that free course today, which gives you access to this video and the printable and all the other videos that I've created, the Fast Math freebie episodes, all in one place for you. And you know what? If you're anything like me, it's out of sight, out of mind. I know that you're busy, so why don't you go ahead and do that now? That way it's off your plate, you take care of it, and you can get your instant access today. Thanks again, and I cannot wait to see you inside the free course.